Hey guys, my name is Nikki. I want to welcome you back to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I'm going to be taking you along with me to hopefully give you some serious cleaning motivation. This is basically going to be just a realistic day of cleaning. I've got just a lot of little things to do today. One of the major things that I'm tackling is laundry. I'm probably not going to share a whole lot of that because I'm actually sharing that live today on my Instagram page. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me over there. I'll leave my handle down here on the bottom of the screen. But this morning I had some errands to run and I needed to run to the grocery store. When I got home, I was taking out my receipt and I realized that I had a pile of receipts that had built up in my wallet and in the bottom of my purse. So I took a few minutes and I went through all of those. I filed the ones that I needed to keep. The rest of them I just need to shred. So you're going to see it looks like a receipt explosion on my kitchen counter. There's also a few little groceries that I need to put away, my purse, things like that. So right now I am going to go tackle that. So let's get started. You'll have to let me know, are you good at staying on top of your receipts or do you have a spot that they pile up? Mine tend to pile up in the console of my car and also in my purse. Alright, so right here you can see I've got a whole bunch of buttons. I just mended a pair of one of my kids' shorts. It was missing a button, so I had to dump all my buttons out to find the right one. So I was just going to put that away real quick. I'm pretty sure I've shared this before, but I'm going to go ahead and share it again. If you have a stainless thermos or stainless mug that gets stained with coffee, you can fill it up with some barkeeper's friend. I just kind of shake some in there, and then I fill it up with really hot water, and I let it soak overnight. You can see how nasty that water is. And then I just scrub it really good with a brush. It takes a good bit of elbow grease still. I still have to kind of really scrub, but it does such a good job of cleaning the inside of stainless mugs. So if you've got one that's super stained, try it and let me know how it works for you. I've already got the barkeeper's friend out, and my kitchen sink is kind of scuffed up, so we're going to go ahead and buff those scratches out real quick. Not scratches, but like scuffs, so that my kitchen sink is all nice, clean, and shiny. Alright guys, so I got my kitchen straightened up real quick. Now I need to wipe down my counters in here. I know you cannot tell it from the camera, but my counters are nasty. They just really need a good wipe down. My kids have had breakfast, they've had lunch, and I say this all the time. They do a pretty good job most of the time cleaning up behind themselves, but they never do the counters the way Mama does them. And that's okay. It's one of my favorite things to do because I like the way it makes the kitchen feel. I like the way it makes the kitchen smell. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm also just gonna be using my trusty homemade granite cleaner from Clean Mama. I've talked about this many times. You can find the recipe on her website. Alright guys, so I kind of took a little detour. I made my bed, and then I remembered that there was a lot of like dirt and dust in the bottom of our closet. So I went ahead and grabbed the vacuum, just vacuumed that out super quick. I didn't like move everything. I just kind of moved most of the shoes that were on the bottom because that's the part that was bothering me. Now, since I've already got the vacuum out, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to vacuum my main floors because y'all know I always tell you we've got really light floors, they're tile floors, and they need to be vacuumed super regularly. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum real quick. So let's get busy. Alright guys, so everything's vacuumed. I went ahead and did a quick mop in the kitchen because it was feeling a little grimy. So I just used my e-cloth with that. Super quick, super easy. And now I've got to tackle this huge mountain of laundry. I'm going to spare you watching me fold all of this. But if you happen to catch my Messy Monday over on Instagram Monday, you saw that I had a ton of laundry. So now I got to get it folded and put away. All right, guys, so I am finally done with laundry. I don't know if you can see, but I put all mine and my husband's laundry away. I am down to just all the kids' clothes. I'm getting ready to call them down here so that they can put all of that away. It's been a long, good day. We did finish up with dinner. I got the kitchen clean, then we watched some TV. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today while I did some cleaning. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I have a new video. For those of you that continue to come to my channel and watch my videos and share my videos and comment and hit that like button, thank you. I just want you to know that it really does mean so much to me. Hope you guys have a great day. Come back Sunday and we will do some more cleaning. I'll see you guys soon.